If you're a beginner trading the 5-minute chart and you want one simple setup you can actually repeat easily, then this is it. In my last video, I showed you why beginners actually fail at 5-minute trading. But guess what? This video is all about what to actually do instead. So I want to break it down to you so that you fully understand. But first of all, let me uncover this. When not to trade, because this is very important. You need to make a note of this. There are 3 specific times that you should not be trading. Number 1, during news. Number 2, at random times when you feel like it. That's not how the market works. Every minute is not a trading minute. Every hour is not a trading hour, right? We're looking for the highest probability opportunity time slots to actually trade. And the third and final one is after hitting multiple losses, walk away. No, why? Revenge trading sweeps in when you've hit maximum losses and you keep going that drain hole until the account is blown. So simple. No news trading, no revenge trading, no random time trading. Now let's get to the good part. Let's get into the setup. Now, of course, you know, Kerry likes to keep it rule-based. We love mechanical strategies. We love structure. Structure is everything when it comes on to trading, and you need to implement structure in 2026. So we want to keep this simple. Market direction, 15 minutes. Once you have the direction, you're literally waiting for a pullback. You can use your moving averages, or you can look at pure structure coming back into your zones. That's perfectly fine. Now, I know you love the moving averages, so you can pop your 50 and your 200 looking for pullbacks into these zones. There's nothing wrong with that. And of course, once you get the confirmation along these areas, you're looking for engulfing candles, wick rejections, confirmation there. We take the trade, we enter stop loss above the zone if we're looking for sells, or stop loss below the zone if we're looking for buys, and or take profit goes to the next level. We keep it clean, we keep it simple, we keep it repeatable. Now I want to help you to understand that a rule-based system like this keeps you intact. It keeps you disciplined, because what happens is that you won't be taking any and every trade. You will be taking specific setups that match your setup criteria. You will be taking higher probability setups based on your trading plan, based on your trading process. So it will give you fewer trades, but guess what? You know what will happen? They will be better ones, which means that your profitability will be spiking, and that's the goal, isn't it? All right. So I want you to understand that this works best after the London session trap is done. I'll break it down in the next video. So I'll see you as soon as you hit play in this next video.